to subscribe!
Cleaning trouble.
There's Petty's house over there. Shall we go see Petty's house today?
Patty, let's play. I'm almost done. Wait just a minute. The vase. I was just playing with the ball. That's all right. You didn't do it on purpose.
Petty didn't get mad at Meow. Nevertheless, Meow felt sorry for what he did.
Huh? Hi. Loopy, come in.
Everyone's at the playground. Do you want to go?
Okay. Meow, do you want to go?
No, thanks.
Then I'll be back soon.
Okay.
Petty and Loopy went to the playground together.
That's it.
Meow decided to clean the house for Petty.
Huh? I should put the books back too. I guess Petty is not home. Petty, are you home? I guess nobody's home. Huh? What happened over there? What is that? Looks like a footprint. It's coming this way. I better get out of here. Crow. Huh? It's you, Meow. What are you doing here? Oh, I'm just looking for something, huh? But your hands. Huh? This?
Meow explained to Pororo and Crong about what happened.
Okay. I'll help you clean the house, too. Pororo and Crong, thank you so much.
That was fun.
Huh?
I don't think I've seen Pororo today. And Crong.
Oh, here comes Patty! Let's go in. Crong, you're here. Let's go inside, okay? Hi, are you coming home now? Pororo, you're here. Let's go play at the playground.
We're just coming back from the playground.
I'm tired. Let's go in. Oh, something is strange. My house is clean. Did someone clean it up? They couldn't have cleaned the house. Huh? Did I draw that? Huh? The book. Now, I can explain. I love this pattern.
It's pretty. How did you make it?
Oh, that's a secret. It's so pretty. It was so cold outside. My face is getting hot.
Huh?
What's wrong?
Nothing.
Can Meow get through this safely?
Cloning machine. Dragon fired at the super robot. The fire missed the super robot as he flew up to the sky.
So wonderful.
Huh?
Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
Loopy made sandwiches.
Here, I want you all to try it.
Sandwich?
I did my best, but I'm not sure how it'll taste. Here, try it.
Tastes good. It's the best.
Right. Thank you.
What a delicious sandwich.
Wait.
Huh?
Poby, can I borrow that sandwich?
Okay.
This is a cloning machine I made. I'll make some more sandwiches with it.
A cloning machine?
Watch. Put the sandwich in like this. Now, this is the sandwich I just put in. Ta-da! Here's another one.
Another sandwich really appeared.
Another sandwich?
Really appeared? That was nothing. You want to have it? Sure, we can make more.
Oh dear, the sandwich disappeared.
Did the machine break?
Then this is...
Wait! Let me fix the machine first. Then I can make you more.
Are you sure you can fix it?
Of course.
We'll be going. Bye.
Bye. They're gone. All right, let's fix the cloning machine. Oh, this looks about done. Let's try again. Now there are 2 sandwiches. Let's try. I did it! I did it! I did it, Rody! Huh? Not in here. Rody, where are you?
Crong is headed to Eddy's house.
Crong.
Huh? There are 2 Krongs.
Where have you been? What happened? Which one of you is the real Crong? Stop it! Did this happen because of the machine Eddy made? Oh.
Pororo took the 2 Krongs to Eddy's house.
What? What happened? There are 2 Krongs. He went in your machine. Don't worry. Just in case this happened, I made the machine to reverse the cloning. Really? First, you 2 go inside. Don't worry, it'll be over soon. Done. See? That's simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. What happened? You made more of them. I did. Let's try again. 4 of you. Go back inside. Go. Hurry. And do this. Now this time...
Crong came back to normal.
You see? Yes. What a relief, Crong. I told you I could reverse it. Ouch! I almost shirt. You're right.
This time, there are 2 Eddys.
Yeah.
Eddy's song.
Who's the best? Who's the best? Who's the best?
Pororo and friends are headed to Eddy's house.
Making planes, bang, bang, bang. What a happy inventor. Making spaceships, boom, boom, boom. What a genius inventor. He can make it just like that. Anything is just like that. What? Rudy, turn off the music. Come in. Hi. Come in.
I thought I heard something.
What sound?
It sounded like you were singing, Eddy.
Singing?
That's right, it's this.
Why don't we listen to Eddy's song for a change?
Yes, Eddy, please.
I'm not much of a singer.
You were great when we heard you outside. Let me hear you sing.
Come on.
Yes.
Then let's give it a try. Rudy?
Yes?
Who's the best? Who's the best? Who's the best? Woo-hoo! Eddy is! Eddy is! Eddy's the best! Woo-hoo! Everybody likes no other than our invention king. Everybody loves no other than our Eddy. He can make it just like that. Anything is just like that. Oops. I told you I didn't want to sing.
No, you'll do better if you try again. Come on.
I can't.
We all want to hear it, right?
Yes.
Really? Well, if you put it that way. Who's the best? Who's the best? Who's the best? Woohoo! Eddy's the best. Everybody likes no other than the inventing king.
It's sounding a bit unstable.
Wait.
Where are you going, Eddy? Eddy was embarrassed and upset that he couldn't sing well.
Eddy, our friends are leaving.
We'll be going.
Okay, bye.
Everyone went home, and it became dark. But Pororo and Crong are coming back to Eddy's house.
Let's sing again, Eddy.
No.
It was fun. Let's sing again.
I'm so embarrassed. I won't sing again.
It became morning again.
Eddy! Eddy! Hi, sleepyhead.
Hi. What are you doing here so early?
We're having a party at Pororo's house today. Come with me.
A party?
So, Eddy and Rhodey went to Pororo's house with Loopy.
Pororo!
Come in.
Whoa!
Everyone is here. Huh? Food too?
Here and I made fish.
I made drinks.
I made sandwiches.
I didn't bring anything.
You can sing to us. Now, 1, 2, 3. We made a stage for you.
Huh?
Will you sing a song for us?
We loved the one you sang last time. You know that I can't sing.
Eddy,
Huh?
we want to hear your song.
Let's hear you sing the song from yesterday.
Okay. Rhodey?
Yes?
Ta-da! Who's the best? Who's the best? Who's the best? Woo-hoo! Eddy is the best! Woo-hoo!